Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, before we get started, make sure you check if you've subscribed, and if you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. So, let's take a look at GBPJPY. Take a look at this movement, right? I told you guys that we should kind of see like a movement to actually hit this support level, right? Price is kind of like ranging within this level. We can see kind of like a range market move within this resistance level and this support level. You see that this price has actually dropped to our support level. Guess what again has been made? Price have broken below this support level. And when you take a look at your GBP, like your GBP pairs, like your GBP USD, you see that GBP USD is actually dropping hard, right? Let's see if you can spot any GBP pairs, kind of like a correlation pairs. So you take a look at this, your Euro USD, Euro GBP. You see that means GBP is dropping. One of the reasons why we are having a bullish move on Euro. Let's take a look at. I think GBP on New Zealand dollar is giving us that bullish move. No doubt, New Zealand dollar is actually dropping. So when you take a look at your GBP card, it is dropping. So when we kind of like put together this correlation, right, you see that GBP is actually dropping. So we should also expect a further drop on this GBP JPY. So maybe only price will kind of like give us a reversal move if it has gotten to a level price has reacted to previously multiple times. So now take a look at this level, right? We saw that price have reacted to this level here. We saw price has once tapped here one, it dropped, came to the same level again, tapped at this level. Then when you zoom it in properly, so we would want to see, kind of like price drops a bit. Like you think from here to this level should give us in about 100 pips, more than 100 pips. No, this price is very very fast, right? It's very very volatile, so no doubt about that. So we should kind of like watch out for GBP JPY to actually drop to this level, which is a level of 157. Currently, we are trading at 159. If it depends if you are watching it late, price must have moved further, right? So we should kind of set our target to a level of 157. So this is what I would be watching, and this is what I would advise you to watch. Then price would now make two movements, will now give us two movements. It's either it continues that bearish move once it gets to a level of 157, or it give us that pullback that it will that we very much likely to play out, right? So it's either price continues that drop, or it will give us that pullback, which will be bullish. Above all, there's one first target we want to hit, which is it's a level of 157. So if we are to take a look at this sense, we are to sell, right, we should at least grab in 120 pips to 150 pips. So if we can go ahead to sell on GBP JPY, you grab maybe minimum of 100 pips when you sell, then we should kind of expect this price to kind of react to this level. One of the reasons is that we see price have reacted to the same level, and when if you are following this consistently, I do say it, if price have reacted to the level previously multiple times and price is close to that level, then expect price that is close to that level to get to that same level it has reacted to previously. And once price gets to that level, then price should be able to react to that level. So once you see this level, price reacted here, also reacted to this level, and again you see it, price reacted to this same level, right? So we should now see price drop to this same level, then it will go ahead to react to it on GBP JPY. So that's what I'm watching out for. Now let's see what this 4 hour time frame is saying. So still on a bearish move, right? Take a look at this moment. um Drop, a pullback, you see a new lows has been made there that broke this previous lows. And when you take a look at this to be a pullback, if you see this, a new lows, and here will be taken to be a pullback, now we'll be expecting a new lows that will be made for the next day. So this new lows needs to take out this previous lows where we had this pullback. This is the previous lows that was made here, right? Then we had a pullback, so a new lows is being we are about to have a new low. So this new lows needs to take out this previous lows, and we will continue that movement on GBP JPY till it hits our target of a level of 157. Then a bullish move is what we will now start watching out for. And you can also see it on a 4 hour time frame, still below this moving average. So still an indication that a further bearish move will be made.